Today we are going to discuss this new topic, module. So as we know, in the Verilog we need to write all our code in the module, right? So module started with this name module and ended with end module. These two are the keywords. Okay. Then first module keywords, then module name, and within this parenthesis we need to write input and output declaration, right? So in this way we can declare this module. So module, one small module we can use in the large modules. Okay, so in this way we can reduce the code length within that module by using the small modules. Okay, so here is one question is given. We have one small modules, and in the top module we are using this small module. Okay, so we have two methods by which we can connect modules. First method is by positioning, second method is by name. So how we can connect by using positioning method? First module name, then we need to write instance name. Okay, and then here here if we are writing input output, then we need to use same type while using in the top module also. So I will explain those things while writing code. Okay, without this instance name we will get some error. Okay, second method is by name. How we can write code by using by name technique? First module name, then instance name, then see here dot out. See, this is the mod A ports, out in 1 and in 2, and these out A B are the top modules port. Okay, so first we need to write top module. First we need to write this mod A name, port name. Okay, then after that within this parenthesis we need to write top module name. Okay, so that also I will explain this question. So here we have one question. In this, mod A is the small module and this is the top module. Okay, here in the top module we are writing this mod A module. Okay, so let's write mod A. So we can in this question we will use this by positioning method, and they are expecting solution around one line. So within one line we need to write mod A, some instance name, that's u1, this parenthesis, then A comma B comma out. Okay, because these are the two inputs and this is the output, that's why we wrote like this, because in the mod A in the same way they have written, see here input and output, that's why we wrote like this, input and output. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so our code has run successfully. Let's solve few more questions. This is another question. Here we have one module mod A. There is two outputs and four inputs. See, these are the two outputs and these are the four inputs. And we need to connect that module. We need to use that module in this top module. And there are out1, out2 are the two outputs, and ABCD are the four inputs. Okay, so here we need to use by positioning method. By positioning method we can write this code. Okay, so here see mod A, in the mod A they wrote output, then input. So we need to write code in that same way. Let's write the code. Mod A, then instance name, I'll write u, then by by positioning we need to write. So we write like out 1 comma out 2 comma a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, so in this way we can write. Let's submit. Okay, so our code has run successfully. So now let's solve one more question. This is a question related to the by name technique. Okay, so here also the same module has given mod A, out 1, out 2 are the two outputs, and these are the inputs, and this is the top module. Okay, so we need to write code by using this name technique, by name technique. Okay, let's write the code mod A, then instance name. So here first we need to write mod A name. Okay, so out 1, and then within this parenthesis we need to write top module name. So out 1, because both names are same. Okay, see here out 1 and out 2, this is top module name, and this is mod name, mod A name, out 1 out 2, and here top module name, both are same. But in this input case we have different name. In 1, in 2, in 3, in 4 are the mod A module name, and here ABCD are the top module name. So we need to write carefully. Next, out 2 dot out 2 out 2. Next dot in 1, then A dot into B dot in 3 C dot in 4 D. Okay, so whatever we have here in this top module, we have to pass through this parenthesis A B C D. Okay, in this way we can remember. Let's check it. Okay, done. So whatever we have written, that is correct. Okay, so we will solve few more questions in the next video. Till that, thank you.